ZenCreator versus HeyGen. Both are AI content platforms and both are worth using, but for completely different things. In this comparison, I break down pricing, features, what each tool actually does well, and the honest review scores so you can pick the right one without wasting money testing both. Before the comparison, these are not direct rivals. HeyGen is built around AI avatar video. You create a digital spokesperson, write a script, and HeyGen produces a presenter-style video without a camera. ZenCreator is an image and video generation suite built for social media creators and e-commerce brands. The overlap is small. Your choice depends on what kind of content you make. The first major difference: HeyGen has a free plan. ZenCreator does not. HeyGen Free gives you 3 videos per month, each up to 1 minute, with a watermark on the export. It is enough to test the avatar quality and see if the output fits your workflow. ZenCreator has no free tier at all. The minimum spend is $19.99 before you see a single output. If you are undecided, start with HeyGen Free first. HeyGen paid plans. Creator is $29 per month. That gets you 600 credits, videos up to 30 minutes, 1080p export, voice cloning, and no watermark. Credits roll over month to month on Creator and above. Pro is $49 per month for 1,000 credits and 4K video. Business is $149 per month plus $20 per additional seat for team features. ZenCreator pricing is one-time credit packs with no monthly charge. Starter is $19.99 for 200 credits. Creator is $49.99 for 550 credits. Influencer is $99 for 1,200 credits. Professional is $4.99 for 6,300 credits. Every credit pack is a one-time purchase. The balance never expires, and there is no subscription that charges you automatically. Which payment model works for you? HeyGen charges monthly whether you create or not. If you hit a slow month, no campaign running, no content needed, you still pay. ZenCreator credits sit in your account until you use them. No deadline, no pressure. If you produce content consistently every week, a HeyGen subscription can cost less per video. If your output is seasonal or irregular, ZenCreator credits protect you from paying for months you barely use the tool. Where HeyGen genuinely wins: avatar video is its core product. 500 plus stock digital twins, AI presenters you can use without creating your own character. Video translation and dubbing in 175 plus languages with automatic lip sync. Voice cloning and video agent, which turns a text prompt into a finished video. If your content is presenter style, tutorials, explainers, corporate training, multilingual campaigns, HeyGen is purpose-built for that. Where ZenCreator wins, AI image generation is the core product. 1 credit generates 1 high-resolution image. The platform has 12 tools in one: image generation, face swap, video creation, lip sync, photo editing, and upscaling. For e-commerce brands needing 200 product photos at 10 cents each, or social media creators doing batch content production, ZenCreator handles volume that a video-first tool like HeyGen is not designed for. Feature comparison head-to-head. AI image generation, ZenCreator yes, HeyGen no. AI avatar presenter video, HeyGen yes with 500 plus avatars, ZenCreator has limited options. Video dubbing in 175 plus languages, HeyGen yes, ZenCreator no. Face swap, ZenCreator yes, HeyGen no. Voice cloning, both yes on paid plans. Free trial, HeyGen yes, ZenCreator no. Credits that never expire, ZenCreator yes, HeyGen credits are monthly. HeyGen reviews. On G2, the platform holds 4.8 out of 5. Users rate the avatar quality and video output as excellent. On Trustpilot, the score drops to 2.3 out of 5, and the low scores are almost entirely about billing confusion, slow rendering on paid plans, and slow support response. The product works well. The business experience around billing and support has real problems. If you sign up, document support tickets and monitor billing carefully. ZenCreator reviews. 4.3 out of 5 on Trustpilot across 435 verified reviews. Jay Moreau writes, "Solid platform, very intuitive, well laid out, very pleased so far." Patrick writes, "They do not make claims they cannot back up. Best I have found in 2026 for a decent price." Magnus writes, "Quite expensive, but the results are stunning." Never seen anything as good. The consistent theme is strong output quality and clear pricing. The honest weaknesses for both: HeyGen, billing confusion on credit deductions, slow rendering even on paid plans, support that can be slow to resolve issues; ZenCreator, no refunds once credits are used; failed image generations cost credits; and no free trial means you risk $19.99 before knowing if the quality works for you. For both platforms, start at the lowest entry point before scaling spend. Choose HeyGen if you make presenter-style videos, tutorials, or explainer content where a talking head avatar carries the message; if you need to translate and dub video into multiple languages for different markets; if you want to test AI video free before committing any spend; and if you produce video consistently enough that a monthly subscription makes financial sense against the per video output. Verdict: neither tool wins outright. They serve different creators. HeyGen wins on avatar video, language dubbing, and the free entry point. ZenCreator wins on image generation, e-commerce volume, no subscription, and credits that never expire. If your content is image-heavy social media or product photos, ZenCreator is the better fit. If your content is presenter-led video, HeyGen is purpose-built for that. ZenCreator link in the description below. Affiliate link, 10% commission disclosed upfront. If you have used either platform and want to add to the comparison, drop it in the comments.